Speed it up! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as you saw from that opening clip, we are in for a treat today. So this story all begins 4 days before, so I'm just going to give you a quick little recap. So basically, my media car was going to be my buddy in the glorified Altima, the Nissan GTR. Long story short, I had to find me a backup driver. My buddy Alec came through for me, so I had a co-driver. Anyways, the rally goes on. It was a blast. There's probably a whole bunch of stories in there that will be shared at a later date. So anyways, we were an hour away from the cities, and we decided to go grab some Canes. We parked in the parking lot, and I had a plan. I always have a plan when I go to Canes. Just gonna give me a box combo, no coleslaw, extra toast, we're good to go. So I had a plan going into this Canes. What I did not plan for, however, was to meet this wonderful gentleman named Daniel. Let me tell you right now, Chick-fil-A and their Christian chicken does not hold a candle to this gentleman's service. Listen, I respect the Christian chicken, but I'll be damned if this gentleman didn't give me the best service I've ever been given in my life. I have never in my life ate that much chicken before, but this gentleman convinced me. He's like, well, you know what? You can get the box combo and you could be sedated for now. Or you could get yourself the 6-piece combo. Save 2 pieces for later. You know what? That sounds like a great idea. So anyways, after going back and forth a little bit with Alec, just kind of discussing the day's events, I had a light bulb go off in my head. I'm like, you know what? I've been lucky enough to drive this car today, to participate in such an awesome event. I'm like, why don't I return the favor to a complete stranger? So I went over to Daniel. Let me ask you something. He was like, what's that? Would you like to go for a ride-along in the GTR real quick? We could film it and everything, just your first reaction and all of that. And he's like, yeah, absolutely. So I apologize if the audio isn't all there, or if the video quality isn't up to your standards. However, I do hope you enjoyed the video, so we'll just jump right on into it. All right, let's do a little quick introduction. Let's get the windows up.
Let's do it, bro.
Turn that down a little.
Yes, sir.
All right, so what'd you say your name was?
What's up, guys? My name is Daniel. How y'all doing? What's going on?
I think we're going to be having a little bit of fun today in this Nissan GTR. We're going to do a little quick top speed run, or not top speed, little acceleration run.
Okay.
And you work over here at Canes?
Yes. Okay, so listen up, guys. By the way, nice to meet everybody. Hope you're having a good time tonight, everybody. Happy Halloween from boy Daniel Marshall from Raising Canes, guys. I've been working here for 10 months here straight, guys. Hanging out with this guy Harris in the building. He's one of the coolest people in the world, man. I hope you know he's doing this awesome thing with people, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up also too, guys, on my Instagram page. It's MarshallDaniel735. Hit me up on Snapchat, MarshallD20175. Facebook, Daniel Marshall, and my YouTube channel is also Daniel Marshall as well. If you're ready to party, let's party. Let's go.
Now, I'm not too familiar with this area.
It's okay.
Do you know where the resident officers reside?
The resident officers kind of reside around down towards Highway 96. You might be good right now. We are all good to go.
I'm gonna put it in some sport goodies on
yes.
here.
Ooh, shit, son, you got me. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, this shit's about to get real. So let's have some fun. All right, let's party, man.
All right.
Let's see if we got to go, man. So let's keep the party rocking. Turn it up. Yee-hoo! Yow! Woo!
So that's pull 1.
Okay. That's
now, I gotta warn you, though. This car has street brakes on there. So that means it does not stop.
Bruh.
I'm not gonna dig it from the stoplight, and I don't feel like blowing anything up today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But nonetheless.
This is gonna be kind of a fun trip. This is my first ever time doing a video with actually inside of a sports car. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. What I do in my spare time is I make music, guys. I'm actually gonna be going on a tour, actually, to Las Vegas next year. Yes, sir. Let's do this thing. Woo! Hell yeah! Now that shit's kind of cool, bro. When you get that shit speeding beat, you gotta get it. You gotta get that shit. It's pretty fun. I gotta say, this is cool.
Yeah, we just came back from a 12-hour trip. We went all the way up to Duluth with about 150 other cars, many of them like this.
Damn. Hyperdrive, let's go. Woo! Yes, sir! Oh shit, here we go.
We're gonna pop it. Oh, no U-turn. Nope.
Oh, yes,
there's
sir.
an officer around
yes,
here.
I know there is. Yes, there is. Because you gotta be careful, man.
Yeah, there's.
But if you do a U-turn right up here, you feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So this is a Nissan, my dude. Let's do this, dude.
Let's see if I can do a U-turn. Oh, God damn.
It's perfection at its finest. Speed it up! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! That's what we call a good boost.
So here's a little fun fact for you.
Talk to me.
So this car actually made it on World Star.
Ooh, no joke.
So how was your first supercar experience?
Well, you know what, man? This is some cool shit right here. Let's do some more of it.
Keep going?
Let's keep going, dude. Hell yeah. I got 30 minutes to like, oh shit. Yes, sir. 9:40. We're gonna be back in the good. I'm good. Let's go. But hey, you know what? You know where the best part is? I got a place for you. Ladies and gentlemen, guys, we're gonna go down towards a little bit of the, not towards the inner city, but there's a place by the beach. Let's go there.
How far away is it from here?
Down the street, all the way down.
Down the street.
Let's do this shit.
All right.
Let's party. Woohoo! Mr. Harris, turn that son of a bitch up. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yes, sir. Now that's what you call real speed. Oh, damn. Now that's what you call some real life shit, guys. Now this has a, how many horsepower does it have?
So, roughly, you know, out of the factory, 560. Has a couple itty bitty things down from the previous owner, so nothing too crazy. What'd you have for lunch there?
A kids meal combo. Harris, question for you. When you walk into Cane's, what was the first thing what's the first word that came to your mind?
This was freshman year of college.
Okay.
And I went there, never heard of Cane's, nothing.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I mean, you know, and I love fried chicken. I've never been to KFC. I don't plan on it either.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I've been to Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
But I never tried Cane's. So when I went there, it was, and I'm here to tell you right now, it was a religious experience.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Blessings to you, my God. So look, Raising Cane's has been around since 1996, guys. And here's the best part. Check it out. Raising Cane's was owned by our amazing owner, man. God love him. I literally do. Todd Graves is our amazing guy of all time, brother, man. He's one of the most coolest people of all time. I'm gonna turn this around a little bit. I'm gonna tell you guys. You know what I'm saying? So look, here's the best part, guys. I have been working here this year for 10 months straight, man, and I'm blessed because Bethel University, everybody in this whole world who comes here, literally, people from out of state, from Germany, from freaking Venezuela, everybody else, man, is coming to Cane's. And literally, if you guys go online, go to google.com, type in Raising Cane's Shoreview, look at our freaking reviews, man. It is amazing. Now let's watch my guy, Harris, do that high-speed chase, dog. Let's go with it. Here we go. Yeah! Creatures! Woo! Hell yeah, boy.
Now, the 0 to 60 on this car, do you want to guess what it is?
I'm gonna say 0 to 60, guess right now, I'm gonna say about 57, I'm gonna guess.
So, 0 to 60, how many seconds?
I'm gonna say about, 33.
Seconds?
Yes, sir.
We hit 80 there.
Holy shit, yo! Woo! Is that good?
So that was about, it has a 0 to 60, 3 seconds.
Oh, damn, that's pretty good, man. Holy shit.
He has the same exact car, I'm not sure on the year. However, he swapped the entire exterior with carbon fiber.
Woo-wee.
Took off.
Shout out to you, my guy, no doubt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then on top of that, I think it's pushing about 1,200 horsepower. So it's
That's some cool shit.
Three times the power of this.
I used to think to myself, though, man, when I was a little kid, bro, I used to love watching racing cars, race every time. I used to play a game called Forza Motorsport 2 and all the other ones out.
Yep, that's where it started.
And that's what I'm saying, for real. Yep. So shout out to Microsoft for making those games, man. But look, let's get this shit going, man. High speed, baby, let's go! Yay! This is awesome, yo. Holy cow. I've had the best time of my life right now, man. Harris, thank you so fucking much, man.
Listen, I met you in that Cane's, and this was my game plan, to find a Cane's employee and abduct them.
It's okay, brother.
But once I met you, and me and Alec, my friend in there, we were talking about, you have a fantastic personality.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We got this car right now.
And by the way, guys, listen, please, come on out and support us here at Raising Cane's Shoreview, guys. By the way, that is awesome. And over here real quick. Yeah, I want people to see me. But look, listen, guys. Please do me a favor, guys. Go to Raising Cane's. We're next door to Target, guys. 3780 Lexington Avenue, Arden Hills, Minnesota, guys. Let us know how we're doing on Facebook, guys. We're also on Facebook. We're also on, Google, guys. But listen, last thing I want to say is blessings to this awesome person right here. Harris, you are amazing, my brother. I appreciate you, my guy. Bless up. And listen, to everybody out there, listen, there's a time, there's a place to be somewhere in life, and we all got to go through things in life, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes we got things going on every single day of the week. We got to just look to the man above us, man, because God is watching us no matter what, dude. We got so many people out here dying, killing each other over it. Let's end this, bro. All that shit that goes on, people killing each other for no reason, man, it's just hard. but life's gonna come at you hard as a brick. But all I gotta say is this, man. Live your life, fight hard, do not ever give up. Because you gotta believe in the man that's above you and never the man that's below you. Word life, y'all. My name is Daniel Marshall, guys. Thank you, Harris, so much. And God bless y'all. We out of here. Hit me up. Also, link in the description box. If y'all think this was the best ever experience that y'all ever had, we are out of here. This was the best experience ever. Raising Cane's employee for life. Love y'all. Peace out and God bless. Harris, I fucking love you, brother. Good night, guys. Thank y'all so much. Party City! We back!